Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy French with Greg. It's once again a real pleasure to be here today with you and for you. After learning the alphabet in specific letters, see my lessons 1 and 2, we are going to learn groups of letters and different sounds. 2 more videos to come. You must know that in French you don't necessarily pronounce words as you see them. For example, the group of letters E+N is pronounced en or un in French and not as in English, n like in gender or render, or in like the word English. So in this video we will see 3 different groups of letters. The sound en, as you can see here, en, un, and on. En, un, on. So let's start with the sound en. Okay, this is the sound en. You can see that in red the letters are silent letters. Okay, so there are 5 ways to write the sound en. En can be written A plus N, A plus N in these words. France en, France. Banc, branche, en, branche, hanche, hanche, or maman, en, maman. So this is A plus N. You must know that A plus N becomes A plus M with an M when the sound en is before another letter M, B, or P in French, M, B, ou P. In these 2 words, vampire, there's a P here, so the sound en before is written A plus M, vampire, or campagne, campagne, there's a P, so the sound en before P is A plus M. The third way to write the sound en is E plus N, E plus N, like in vent, vent, enveloppe, enveloppe, enfant. You can see here the 2 different ways to write the sound en, E-E-N, or A-N, enfant. Dent, dent, une dent, a tooth, okay, dent. The 4th way is when N becomes a M, when the sound en is before M, B, or P. The same rule as here, if you can see, okay? In these words, tempête, tempête. There's a P here, so before P, E plus M, tempête. And the same rule with décembre, décembre, septembre, EM, septembre, embrasser, there's a B here, so E plus M, embrasser, emprisonner, emprisonner, emmener, emmener, okay? And the 4th way is concerns only 3 different words, only 3 words, okay? So you don't have to learn them by heart, but you must know them if you are curious. So these words are pan, un pan. A plus O plus N is en, R en, sorry, R en. So it sounds en. Pan, pan, peacock, un temps, or fan, pan, temps, or fan. Okay, this is it with the sound en. Now let's move on to the other sound, un. You can hear that un is different from en, of course. So there are 10 ways to write the sound un. The first way is E plus N. In the words interdit, interdit, chemin, un chemin. And you know the rule now. When E+N is before M, B, or P, it becomes E+M. In the words impossible, IM, because they are before P. Impossible. Imbibé. Imbibé. There's a B here, so E+M. Grimper. 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 Immanquable. Immanquable. IM before another M. Immanquable. Or timbre. Timbre. Okay. The third way to write the sound is E plus I plus N. E plus I plus N in these words. There was as examples, of course. There are many other words, but okay. Ceinture, ceinture, ceinture. Frein, frein. Or peindre, peindre. Another way, A plus I plus N in these words. Copain, copain, my friend, mon copain, 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 train, pain, bain, or main, okay? Copain, train, pain, bain, main. And fifth way is A plus I plus M in these words. Faim. J'ai faim. I'm hungry. La faim, hunger. Faim. D'un, d'un. Essaim, essaim, essaim. Okay. Now 5 other ways to write the sound un. The sixth way is Y plus N. Y plus N. Lynx, larynx. Lynx, larynx. Okay. Y plus N becomes Y plus M when the sound un is before B or P. Like in cymbal, cymbal, there's a B here, so Y plus M. Cymbal, or symphonie, symphony. Okay, there's a P here, so Y plus M, symphony. Another way, the eighth way, is E plus N in these words as examples, of course. Bien, well, bien, well, bien. Un. Il vient. Okay? Il vient. The verb is venir, to come. So, il vient, he comes. Vient. Okay. Or Benjamin. And you can see, two ways to write un. E-N or I-N. Benjamin. Okay, ninth way is U plus N. U plus N, like in un, one. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, un. Or lundi, for example, Monday, lundi, un, lundi. And the 10th way is U plus M. In parfum, parfum, UM, parfum, or humble, humble. Okay, there's a U and a M, U plus M, humble. Okay, this is it with the sound un. And the last sound for today is the sound on. On. In these words, oncle, oncle, tonton, tonton, or compte, un compte, a tale, compte, on. And you know the rule now, when O, the group of letters O plus N is before B or P, it becomes O plus M. In compte, You can hear the same here, compte or compte. Okay, you pronounce the same way. Okay, but of course the words are different. The first one is tail and the second one is account. So compte, there's a P here, so O+M before P, compte. Oh, T is silent, sorry, I didn't write it, but T is silent, compte. Oh, sorry, P is silent, P is silent, compte. Ombrelle, ombrelle, there's a B, so before B is the group of letters, O+M, ombrelle, nombre, nombre, or the last word, as an example, is bombe, une bombe, a bomb in English, a shell, okay, bombe. Okay, so that's it today for our 3 different sounds, en, un, and on. And of course, if you want to improve your French, don't hesitate to watch this video 1 or 2 more times. And if you liked it, you know what to do. Share it with your friends, subscribe, comment, activate the notification bell, and watch my next videos coming soon. Bye bye!